Hey everyone, this is Caleb Gutierrez, your Communication Committee Chairman. Thank you so much for tuning into this month's announcement video. Our first announcement that we have going on is our Student Council annual donation drive is still going on. Like we mentioned in our first announcement video, it's going to be ending on the 31st of March. We really appreciate all of you who have donated, and we ask that you continue to please share this around with as many people as possible and keep donating, as we still have several different thank you gifts which you have a chance to win, and they are listed there on the screen. We appreciate all of your donations. They are all in increments of $10, and this is going to go forth to all of our great things such as Shark Weeks and our graduation for the following year. The next announcement that we have going on is our Student Council Town Hall. This is going to be at March 27th at 11 a.m. Please click the Zoom room link right here to join. It's going to be a fantastic time. It's an opportunity where all you Megamites get to make sure that your voices are heard and your ideas are shared, and we can hear your opinions on different matters and ideas. This is a great opportunity to make your school a better place and share all of those amazing ideas that we know each and every single one of you have. All of Student Council will be there to answer as many questions as possible. March 27th at 11 a.m. I'll see you there. As a reminder, we always have great links for you to help study, and you can always contact us at any of these emails with any of your questions. And as always, don't forget to follow us on all of our fantastic social media platforms and subscribe to the Mega News Network. Thank you so much for tuning into this month's announcement video. I hope you all have a fantastic day and stay safe.